Hey y'all, today we're going to see if this Kreg Universal bandsaw fence will actually fit the 14-inch bandsaw that you can get from Lowe's. Y'all stay tuned. Normally before I buy a tool, I'll go online and see if it fits what I'm buying it for. And this time I just decided to buy it on the fly, and I guess we're going to see here if it'll really fit this bandsaw. Right out of the box, it seems like it is made pretty well, and the good thing, there's not many parts that we're gonna have to deal with to get it put together and put on. I realized while I was going through the instructions that the bolts that hold the mountain rail to the bandsaw is about a 1/2 inch too long, and I had a few in the shop that I could use that took care of this problem. Not sure if it was because it wasn't specifically designed for mine, or if there was some burrs in the threads on the bandsaw itself. So the next thing to do is take your clamp block and fence bracket, and there'll be 2 bolts that holds this on. Now the bolt that's going to be closest to you when you're actually using the bandsaw will be the bolt that you can loosen to adjust the fence and get it parallel with the blade. And now you can go in and put your set screws in, and we'll adjust these later when we put the fence on. And now you can put the locking knob on. Now we're going to put the T-knobs on the bolts that will hold the fence together, and these 2 bolts will slide down on the fence bracket that we've already bolted down to the clamp block. With that done, you can take the head of the bolts and insert them in the slot on the back of the fence, and go on and slide it on up and tighten it down. Now would be a good time to adjust your set screws and make sure the fence is not really dragging on the bed of the bandsaw. The tape they included will slide under the clamp block, and then you can just pull the backing off of it and stick it down to the mountain rail. So we got the fence installed, and we just put the lens for the tape measure on, and the only problem we had out of this was the hex bolt that holds the main part of the fence onto the bandsaw was about a 1/2 inch too long. I had a couple in the shop that was the right size, but you could also cut those off if you had to. So the main thing I was wanting to show, it will fit the porta cable that you can buy from Lowe's. All the bolt holes line up, and it goes together pretty good, and the instructions are pretty thorough. So if you have one of these bandsaws, it will definitely fit. If y'all enjoyed the video today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the link in the top corner of the screen, and also giving it a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll leave some videos down at the bottom of the screen for y'all to check out. Thank y'all for watching.